Hi everyone, my name is Yovita. I'm from the Podium support team, and welcome to the Podium support top tips for Podium platform navigation. And the topic for today is how to use the LMI calculator under the More tab. I will enter into a live demo situation. Welcome to the Podium homepage. LMI calculator, you can get that through the More section from the left-hand side of your Podium. LMI calculator. And just for demo purposes, I will enter a few example data. So over here, it cuts the product, and for the world type, I will leave that as person. Property use, I will leave that as owner occupied. Primary finance purpose, I will leave that as purchase. Including the state, I will leave that as Victoria. And the lender over here, I'll change that into Commonwealth Bank, just for example. And for security value, I will put an example of 50,000. Loan terms, I will leave that as 30 years. Loan amount, I will put an example of. And over down at the bottom, there are 3 boxes that you can tick if that's applicable to you. And I will take as an example, apply first home buyer. When I click calculate on the top, it will then calculate the result according to the data that I have entered on the left. I can also add the product by clicking this, add product, and product will show up. And just for demo purpose, again, I will leave this as person, property use, owner occupied, primary finance purpose, purchase, including the state, I will leave that as Victoria. The lender, I will change that into a different product. And the bank, just for example, security value, loan terms, and loan amount, I will leave this as that. And the same goes for the boxes right up, down at the bottom. When I click on calculate, once again, it will then tell me the result of the LVR, LMI premium, LMI stamp duty, and LMI premium total. You can also print PDF just to print summary of all the data that you have entered. When I click on print PDF, it will then show me the lender mortgage insurance calculator summary. It will then tell me all the data of the summary that I have entered before, and also tell me the date of that the documentation is being produced. You can also contact us in Podium support at this number and podium.support@podium.net.au. Or you can also head over to Podium Knowledge Hub for more information. Thanks for watching.